This is Jeff. He's a maintenance engineer. From prioritizing plant issues and inspections, to investigating equipment failure, to raising maintenance requests and work orders, he has a lot to track. To keep up, Jeff uses Honeywell Forge Asset Performance Management. Looks like a pump is flagged. It's dropped below operational efficiency. He sees the potential consequence of what this means. With Honeywell Forge Asset Performance Management, Jeff quickly gets to the root of the problem. It looks like it might be a leak. He dives deeper and sees vibration values exceeding the expected limits. Jeff assigns the work order in Honeywell Forge directly to a technician, Petra. Petra receives the work order notification on her phone. She arrives at the site and views the maintenance recommendation from Honeywell Forge Asset Performance Management. Petra conducts the inspection through guided step-by-step instructions from Honeywell Forge Workforce Productivity and confirms that the ball bearings are the source of the problem. After receiving safety clearance, she gets to work. Jeff is notified as soon as Petra's work is complete. Honeywell Forge provided instant visibility for Jeff on what work needed to be completed today, and it let Petra know how to fix the pump's reliability and performance by identifying the root cause. Exceeding typical asset management systems, Honeywell Forge enabled a quick return to service for the pump, reducing downtime, saving money, and increasing the pump's life cycle. All in a day's work with Honeywell Forge Asset Performance Management. Stop reacting. Start predicting.